Welcome to KAMAJOR'S blog. For today, we will talk about asteroids, comets, and meteors. Within the surface of the Earth, marami tayong rock formation na makikita. Ito ay may iba't ibang sukat at komposisyon. A rock is a naturally occurring substance made up of crystalline crystals of various minerals bounded together to form a solid mass. Did you know that there are many rocks in outer space too? First on our list is the asteroids. These are the tiny rocky objects orbiting the Sun. Asteroids orbit the Sun in the same way the planets do, but they are considerably smaller. In our solar system, there are lots of asteroids. The majority of them are in the main asteroid belt, which lies between Mars and Jupiter's orbit. Estimated, the asteroid belt contains between 1.1 and 1.9 millions of asteroids. Next is the orbit of asteroids. It's more rounded compared to comets. The shape of asteroid is varied or irregular. The composition of asteroids are dust, rock, and metal like silicate, iron, and nickel, including olive and pyroxene. The asteroid's primary components are iron and nickel, metal found in the Earth's core. The Alvarez brothers, named Luis and Walter Alvarez, found an element called iridium on marine sedimentary layers in Denmark, Italy, and New Zealand. They found rocks with a higher iridium content than the Earth's crust, which has the same iridium content as the asteroid. As a result, they presume asteroid collide with Earth, causing the dinosaur to suffer and die. They proposed the Alvarez Hypothesis, which is, according to this hypothesis, an asteroid with a diameter of roughly 10 kilometers collide with Earth, and as a result of this occurrence, sunlight was blocked, which caused the mass extinction of plants and animals, including the dinosaurs. Next we have is comets. It is a relatively small icy celestial body revolving around the Sun. It shines larger than meteor. The chemical composition of comet are dust, rock, metals, ice, frozen gases, ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide, and other organic compounds. Comets typically come from the Oort cloud, which is beyond the solar system, and some from the Kuiper belt, which is beyond the Neptune's orbit. Long-period comets originated from the Oort cloud, while a short-period comet comes from the Kuiper belt. And if we talk about the orbit of comet, it is highly elliptical. Same with the asteroid, comets have the shape which is varied and irregular. Now let's talk about the parts of a comet: dust tail, coma, hydrogen envelope, and ion tail. As the comet gets closer to the Sun, the ice melts and evaporates together with dust particles. These particles of gases make a shining the head around the comet called the coma. Last on our list are meteoroids. These are what we call space rock that range in size from a dust grain to small asteroid. The composition of meteoroids are rocky, while others are metallic or combination of rock and metals. Meteoroids are remnants or fragments of asteroids and comets located outside the Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroids originated from the collision of asteroids. They were also known to be the debris of comets that travel around the Sun, or debris from the impact of collision of Mars or the Moon with asteroids. Meteors, also known as shooting or falling star. It is a streak of light that appears in a clear sky. It is visible to the naked eye for a second or less. Most of the meteors came from the asteroid belt, and the shape of meteors are varied and irregular. The chemical composition of meteors are fragments of asteroids and comets, iron, stone, stony iron, and chondrites. Meteorites. It is a meteoroid that survived its trip to the atmosphere and hits the ground. Paano nga ba natin madi-differentiate ang meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites sa isa't isa? Pag sinabi nating meteoroid, it is located outside the atmosphere. Pag meteors naman, it enters the Earth atmosphere. Pag meteorite, it landed on the Earth's ground.
Thank you for watching mga ka-major. Thank you.